Hey, how's it going, ASC students? Would you like to know what goes on in middle school in French C? It's taught by Madame Rajansky. It's the third year of French, so it's like you have to take French A and French B before you can sign up for French C. And it's a super class. So those of you sixth graders who are interested in signing up for a language, let me tell you that French is the way to go.
Par exemple, aujourd'hui, j'ai décidé de vous préparer une tarte tatin. Donc ça, c'est le nom de ma recette. It's the name of my recipe. Et vous allez dire pourquoi vous avez choisi de faire cette recette. Alors moi, j'ai décidé de vous faire une tarte tatin parce que j'adore les tartes tatin et j'adore les desserts. Okay, I decided to do tarte tatin today because I love tarte tatin and I love the dessert. To explain and to show.
Bonjour, Madame Rajansky. We, the students of ASD, would like to know how French C, the class you teach, is. What do you do in French class?
What I do, can I answer in French? I have to answer in English.
In English.
Okay. I do a lot of things. I do vocabulary for students. I try to teach them some basic grammar rules. And I do a lot of oral and some exercises, some songs sometimes, and I show them movies sometimes, short movies, short cartoons, to explain all the grammar and vocabulary rules, etc. Different things.
Okay. Do you like teaching French class?
Yes, I do. I really like it. It's not always something easy, but it's something always funny and always interesting.
Okay. Why did you decide to teach French?
Why I decided to teach French? This is a good question. First, I guess because I like this language. I find it really beautiful and a lot of, how do you say something subtle?
Super?
Not with a lot of subtleties. Does it exist in English? I don't know. Okay. I like the different meaning that you can have for one word, or the different meaning you can have for one sentence if you put the word in tel order and other one. I like that.
Okay.
And also I like to share.
Mm-hmm. What level of French do the students in this class are expected to know?
You mean in French C?
Yeah.
Specifically? Okay, French C, they are here to reinforce what they already know, what they are already supposed to know, and to add some new things at what they already know, and they are supposed to speak more, to do more oral parts, and this is the part which is a little bit difficult because they don't dare to speak, they're a little bit shy. So I have to tell them and to show them that they can speak, and even if they do mistakes, it's not a problem, because even me, when I speak English, I do a lot of mistakes, but I think most of the time they understand me.
Okay. Can you give me a short description of the syllabus in this class?
Short description of syllabus? Yes, you mean... So the syllabus, they need to know some, as I told you at the beginning, some grammar rules, specific grammar points, specific vocab points, specific situation. They have to know how to answer and to ask questions in different kind of situation, and to be able to speak more French and to write more French, and more precisely than in French A, for example. And they need to bring their material in class, and they have to do their work very regularly. And if they are not here, if they miss classes, they need to know what they missed and to catch it up. and they have to give the best that they can give.
Okay, thank you, Madame. I'm sure the students of ASD will sign up for French and enjoy it for years to come.
Merci beaucoup.
Okay, so Jonas, we're here with Jonas Johnson. Do you like being in French class?
Yeah,
Okay. What have you done in French class so far?
we've learned about foods. Right now we're learning how to make a recipe for dessert or any dish. And we've learned passé composé, so things in the past.
So what have you done in French class, and then what do you want to do in French class?
We've done some tests and a lot of homework. But I hope that here on Wednesday we'll have a party, so it's a nice relaxation.
Cool. I wish I was there. Okay, so thank you for your time. I'm sure that the students of ASD will join French after reading your answers.
The steps involved in the preparation. Le détail de chaque étape. D'abord, first, vous mettez la farine dans votre récipient.
Okay, Vishnu. C, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna ask you to answer a few questions about French. Do you like being in French class?
Yeah, I love it in French class, especially in French C.
Okay. And what have you done in French class so far?
Well, right now we're doing a project on how, in different cuisines and how to make them, and we're doing oral and written parts for that.
Cool. So, what do you want to do in French class?
Well, what I want to do is really make some good cakes.
I see. That's what I would like to do too. Okay, thank you for your time. I'm sure that the students of ASD will join French class reading after your answer.